Hey guys, what's up? It's Lydia here. Thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm super excited to show you guys these new products that I've gotten from Curlmix. Curlmix sent me the products in this cute box. Yay, love it. And the products they sent me are the Pure Avocado Moisture, which has organic jojoba oil and lavender fragrance. It also smells super good. But I'm really excited to use this because I haven't used any product with avocado in it and my hair's been really dry, so your girl needs that moisture, you know what I'm saying? And the second product that I have is the Pure Flaxseed Gel, which also has organic jojoba oil in it and lavender fragrance. And I'm just really excited to try this out. So before I hop in the shower and get my hair all nice and fresh, I want to show you the old crusty self before I get in that shower. Am I right? Alright. So here it is, and it's just not working. So let's get all these curls nice and fresh, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here are the results of the two products that I used and that I showed you earlier in my video, and I am so impressed with these products. I literally love them so much and I just fell in love with them as I was using them, and I'm probably going to use them so much more, and I hope you guys can try it out. I'll link the products down below and you can go and give it a look. And yeah, I hope this video was fun and helpful and informative, and if it was all those three adjectives that I just said, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It would make my day. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, feel free to do so. Down there somewhere, there's a big red button that says subscribe. It's pretty self-explanatory, so just go ahead and click it and join this beautiful, wonderful, amazing, courageous, curly team. And yeah, I love each and every one of you so much, and I couldn't do this without you guys, and I hope you guys have the best hair day yet. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in next time for more vids with Lids.